Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for the 1994 through 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee with 4-liter V6 and 4.7-liter V8 engines. This catback single tailpipe system features a Super 50 series muffler with patented Delta Flow technology and CNC mandrel bent tubing. When installed on a 4.7-liter application, it will typically provide a deep performance tone along with a moderate interior sound level. This particular vehicle is a 4-liter, which has a more subtle, milder performance tone. Like all Flowmaster products, this system provides dyno-proven performance.